In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the summary functions in Excel to find the average, maximum, minimum, and the sum of an array of numbers. This is a very applicable and important function because in any type of business setting, you would need to use either all of these functions or at least one of them to find the average, let's say, of the salaries you pay, or what is the total amount of sales you have made in one quarter. Now, let's get started. The first thing that we would use is the average function. So the average is a very important and handy function that would return the average of an array of numbers. All you need to use is average, and then you choose, let's say you want to find out the average of your sales in quarter one. So you choose all the numbers in Q1 sales, and there you go. So you can see this is the value of the average. Now, let's say you want to find the average for the rest of the columns in your table. All you need to do is to just drag this to the right, and that would automatically basically copy the formula and return the average. You might also want to find the maximum or the minimum of sales. The max is the function that you can use to return the maximum. And here it returns the maximum value in your sales, and you can just copy this all the way for all the other columns. And for minimum, you can use the min function. So the minimum also returns the lowest value in an array of numbers. So you might want to know who has basically had the lowest amount of sales. So in this way, you can see that, for instance, this person has the lowest amount of sales. Now, you also want to know, let's say, what have you sold in total in Q1? So what has been the total sales? You can use the sum function in order to find the total. And if you just choose the array of numbers, then you can see this would return the sum or the total of the values in an array of numbers. So these functions are extremely important in any type of business setting, and it allows you to summarize your findings, the amount of sales, and the amount of commissions you've paid, and many other applications. Let me know in the comments below if you like more videos and hit the subscribe button.